Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Trello to Slack. Trello is a visual tool for organizing tasks and Slack is our communication hub. Together, they make project management super efficient. Now in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Trello to Slack and get Trello updates right in your channels. Now let's start by following these few simple steps. The first step is to open the Slack app directory. And to do that, just go to slack.com/apps. Here, as you can see, this is the page. Write it in your browser and then click on visit the website. Once the website appears, click on the search bar that says find a new app and type in Trello. Let's type in Trello. And from the suggestion, you're gonna see Trello app. Click on it and you'll be directed to the apps page. Now the second step is to click add to Slack. Now to do that, just click on the add to Slack button. It's the green one right here. Click on it and log in and authorize Trello to access Slack and grant necessary permissions. Make sure you do this step. Now the third step is to link your Trello account. Now in any Slack channel, let's go back to the Slack app. In any Slack channel or DM, type, let's see here, let's choose a channel and type slash and type in Trello and insert a link after that and sign in to Trello and approve the connection. The fourth step is to use Trello commands in Slack. You can now use commands like /Trello add card name, /Trello list, or /Trello help. You can also receive Trello cards updates in a specific Slack channel. And that's it. That's how easy it is to connect Trello to Slack. You'll save time, reduce back and forth, and keep your team aligned with switching tabs. Remember, use Trello notification in focused channels only so you don't overload general chats with updates. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.